What's happening, YouTube? Picked up a new boat here about a week ago. It's got some really good bones to it, man. It's a 1983 Bass Tracker 3. Apart from all the rust and some dings and chips here and there, this boat is in amazing condition. A little bit of work and some TLC, and we're gonna have this 16-footer looking like a brand new boat. It's got a Minn Kota Fortrex 112 foot-pound thrust with 36 volts. The front decking here is made out of OSB with generic carpet. But as we look down the side of the boat, you can see this thing is in great condition. We'll get to more of this in a moment, but for right now, just going to do an overview of the boat and the condition it's in, and then we'll have videos for the build throughout. New LED lights in the back. The side markers are shot, but again, man, the hull itself, the bones, even the motor. This is a 40-year-old motor, guys, and it's turnkey. We went to pick it up. The guy said it runs great, you know, been sitting a while. Stuck the key in, turned it, motor fired right up. I don't think the inside of this gas locker has ever been cleaned. It is loaded with oil. Take a look at this prop, guys. I mean, take a look at the chewed up prop on this. I'm figuring the bottom of this boat is destroyed. Oh, but it gets better. So the decks on the back are made out of street signs. Huge live well with a divider in it. He's got a latch with a groove cut, some homemade stuff, I guess. I don't know, I've never seen this on a bass tracker. But you know, you lift a little latch there and put it over the divider, and it holds it into place to separate your live well into two sections. Aerator works, bilge pump works. The wiring on this boat, it's gonna need a total rewire. He put new foam down in the floor, but didn't put decking. That's why there's more street sign under those seats, the aluminum plating from the street signs, because it's just carpet on foam on the bottom. Steering wheel has seen better days. It's so oxidized and chipped up and discolored. But the console, I don't know if he took this out of a World War II tank or what, but it is beat to hell, guys. Check out the fuse block, just laying on the ground. Everything's wired. It's just laying there, not hooked to anything. Fire extinguisher, it's full. I don't know how good it is. Hummingbird, Piranha doesn't work. 312 volt batteries. Again, this is a 36 volt trolling motor. Minn Kota Fortrex. It's beat up. I mean, the dude has definitely used this boat for sure. The prop is chewed up quite a bit. Not as bad as the outboard prop. Grinding on the side, I have no idea how this could have happened unless he had it down and ran into some sharp rocks or something. I don't know. But he did say he hit that trolling motor pretty hard last trip and it blew apart. The whole head unit just exploded. I guess it pushed that carbon shaft clean up through the top, busted all the bolts, the direction dial. So we're going to be doing a complete rehab on this Minn Kota Fortrex 112. Ordering parts, get everything smooth. It does work. It's running great. It just, it's a hand grenade waiting to happen. Again, this front deck is custom with OBS board, which, you know, when it gets wet lasts about a week. But, you know, again, the boat's bones are amazing. You can see there the street sign where he has the pedestals mounted because there's no decking in the bottom. It's just foam and carpet. Nice and quiet, but no stability. The seats are in great condition. They just need a very good cleaning. Although this boat is going to get a complete makeover with tracker seats, you know, good quality covered seats. Again, guys, the trailer is in amazing condition. The only thing, this side marker's missing. You can see the hole there. But the whole trailer's been rewired. It does have the bearing buddies or whatever on the hubs. It's going to need new bunks and carpet. Of course, complete redecking with aluminum and aluminum framing. There you can see the street sign that it's made out of, and the $10 a 100 square yard carpet. Ventilation ports are nice. They're still in good shape, good chrome on them, just need a good cleaning. The transom's still in good shape for 40 years old. This is the original transom with original rivets. Needs a good cleaning, maybe some urethane to protect it. And again, guys, this Mercury 40 is 40 years old this year, 2023, and it turnkey, it fires. Again, probably some transom work here on the back, but overall the motor's in great condition. The boat's still in great condition. Prop number 2. I don't know what this guy's doing. If he's fishing in a 5-gallon aquarium or what's going on, I don't know how you beat a prop up that bad without busting the bottom of the boat up, but somehow the bottom of the boat's amazing. I'm assuming throughout the 40-year life of this boat, it's had about 30 different transducers attached to it. There's about 60 holes in the back that are going to get filled in. Again, the live well, bilge pump, everything works, but we're going to do a complete strip down to bare hull aluminum Bass Tracker 3 bass boat. We're going to turn this 1983 16-foot Bass Tracker into a 2024 16-foot monster. Just redo everything. Again, guys, $1,700. I had to drive about 5 hours down and 5 hours back to get it. A few little scratches here and there, but no dents, no dings, no big cuts or anything. Just typical, you know, aluminum river boat. But I hope you guys enjoy. Stick around, and we'll see you in the next video.